As you can see from lunch spilled out of my deck here, it's the right size and profile is my pink epoxy jig, but it's the wrong color. And the reason why I'm using the pink is there's a lot of bait and not a ton of albies, and I'm looking to get noticed with the pink. And today's a day when you're competing with all this bait and these other boats, you want to err on the side of getting noticed. And again, that's the pink epoxy jig, or the Hokey epoxy jig lure. All right, we're gonna get this guy back in the water, but just interesting how much bait this guy coughed up. There's a lot of it here.